Happy Saturday morning, traders, and everyone you know. I have exciting news on the NASDAQ 100. That is the power bull. Right now, that NASDAQ 100, we could make and break the all-time high very easily. We're headed in that direction right now. A lot of people doubt that they can, but I can tell you the bull I have not seen, I've been in a lot of bull markets. This is the strongest one. Pullbacks happen and new highs come back into play. Sellers are totally absent. I can see where we can break the highs on the NASDAQ 100. Let me tell you another thing. It's not overbought like it has been in the past. The high was 23.60, the low was 22.73. It opened at 22.88. My point being is it's in a bull cycle. That bull cycle has not changed. That resistance is right above here. We're very close to all-time highs again on the NASDAQ 100 daily chart. Now, if I pull this chart from the daily, and I hope all of you listen throughout the video, I really do, because we're a full trading firm. Yes, we are. And I'm going to show it on the hourly chart. It's been consolidating. And that is a high on the hourly. We are laser focused on that high right there. We are laser focused on that 60-minute consolidation across the bottoms. They consolidate, either they break out above that resistance and go and keep traveling higher, or they break down. It's one or the other. So this chart is set up to take out the highs. Stay tuned, because this is a bull in play. And the earnings season can cause a lot of October volatility. But we could go up until November before we have a big correction. And we very well could keep climbing that bull wall of worry, they call it. But stay tuned. And stay tuned that when corrections do happen, you have a buy now, pay later, and you can pick up your trades. Just send me an email, simple. Read the content, the rules are there. I will go over everything with you. So we are in a consolidation period right here on the 60-minute on the NASDAQ 100. And the NASDAQ 100 is played late. It hasn't made the new highs like the S&P and the Dow. It's got catch up to do. Stay tuned. We care about you. Spread the message. Spread the word. Ask me a question if you own a stock you're not sure. I'm here to help.